Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are all summer themed and I'm going to focus on sun. And for this, I took one of this wooden sun that I got from Dollar Tree recently, and I'm going to paint this with this yellow paint. Before that, I wanted to give like one coat of white chalk paint. This will actually enhance the yellow color. That's what I noticed while making these DIYs. So I'm just, after the white paint dried, I'm just giving one coat of yellow, and look how bright and beautiful this turned out. After that, I took this same white chalk paint and I dry brushed all around it, and for the center part I left it as white only, and I'm going to draw the face where I can see the indentation of eyes and a smile. So I drew with this black paint for the eyes and smile, and this is one of the stand-up sign that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm just sticking this painted sun in the center, and I also created a bow with one of this yellow polka dotted and black polka dotted ribbon, and I created two bows and on top of each other, and I'm sticking some of the greenery and some yellow baby's breath, I think, some white flowers, yellow flowers to decorate the base. I absolutely love this bright yellow sun with a lot of greeneries and decorations in the base, and yeah, this is one of the cute signs I'm very much happy with. I hope you would like it, so please let me know. This video will be part of Hello Summer collab, and this is hosted by Ellie from DIY from House to Home, and Tammy from The Rusted Willow, and Lisa from Our Grey House. I'm going to link the crafting channels of these three creative ladies in my description box, as well as link to the playlist. So please watch all of our videos and give a lots of love. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to take another wooden sun frame from Dollar Tree, and this is actually a small wooden piece that you can stick in the bag, which will stand on its own. And I'm going to remove the center part. I'm going to paint the border with this white chalk paint, again the same method, and yellow paint on top of it. After it is dried, I'm just drawing with this blue paint some curves to give like extra decorations. And while that's drying, I took one of this cute clip which says let's chill with the ice cream cone with 4 scoops of ice cream. So I just gave like different colors, pink, blue, yellow and white, and also I wrote the let's chill with blue paint, and I'm also drawing with this marker to highlight the design. And I also painted thin coat of black all around the sign to highlight everything, and I'm also drawing with white marker pen to give like a nice waffle cone there. Also giving the same way to the border all around. I gave like a black marker highlighting, so the bright yellow color shows up well. You know what I mean, right? So I put all the picture frame together, and I'm taking a little bit of a hot glue onto the back of the clip, and I'm attaching that into the center of this frame. And this is actually giving like a nice pop-up look. I like that look. And I also created one bow with this yellow satin ribbon, red satin ribbon with white hearts on it, and I attached one of the yellow flower in the center to finish the look. Isn't this cute? It says let's chill with ice cream cone, and this is a beautiful sun who is relaxing and chilling with ice cream cone. That's thing I have in my mind, and I wanted to bring it to life. So this is one of it. I love it. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts on this. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this, I'm going to use one of this wooden wind chime that I got from Dollar Tree last year, I believe. And I'm going to decorate the centerpiece where it has beautiful sun, cloud, and it says "You're cool." So we're going to paint everything with white chalk paint, one coat of it, because that way I can read what's going on in the background. So I'm just highlighting the yellow part with this yellow sun, and I'm drawing this sunglasses with this marker, and using this blue paint I'm going to give like a nice sky effect there. So I'm going to paint blue for the background. So this is how it looks as after the blue paint is filled in. I also drew black marker to highlight the sun rays and the hearts I filled with all colors, and I'm drawing the smile and the eyes, cute smile for sun and cloud. And I'm actually taking this dotting tool to fill in the UR with the blue dots and cool with green and blue and white polka dots. And after it's all done, I just took some of this hot glue and I stuck it to the base of one of the shadow box that I have. And this is one of the cute bow that I made with a yellow ribbon. And I also gave like baby's breath in the center, some greenery on either side. I just wanted to attach the greenery so it doesn't fly away like that. And I also took some of this yellow baby's breath. I think I just stuck it on either side of this ribbon, and I want to stop here. I think I'm happy with the look. So this is another cute "You're cool" sun and cloud sign. Look how cute those cloud and sun are, happily smiling. I just love it. This is one of the cute, funny, and which brings smile to anyone's face, I think. So this is one of the cute sign I'm very much happy with. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this DIY, I'm going to take one of this huge wooden round sign that I got from Dollar Tree, and this is the wood stain. I'm actually staining the wood. I think one coat is sufficient. I'm happy with the look, so I'm going to let it dry after it is all done. This is how it looks. And this is the aluminum sun sign that I also got from Dollar Tree recently, and I'm going to decorate this by painting one coat of chalk paint. And I'm going to let it dry. After it is dried, I'm going to paint with the same yellow paint on top of it. I gave like 2 coats to get like nice coverage, and this is how it looks. I wanted to give like a nice sunglasses to him. This is one of my daughter's glasses. She's not using it anymore, so I just popped out the glass part of it, and I'm painting black chalk paint onto the frame. And I'm also going to remove the back part where it goes through the ears. So I'm going to let it dry. While that's drying, let's draw the sun's face. I'm filling in black for his eyes, and I'm also going to draw all parts of his face. I also gave like a nice lipstick with black and red tint to it, and using one of Q-tip, I'm just dotting all around the face of the sun. And I also give like a nice decoration to all his rays as well. I gave like blue dots, red lines, blue lines all over, and I also dry brushed with white chalk paint. And now I wanted to give like a nice handle. I picked some of this yellow square beads from Dollar Tree. I also painted the larger blue ones, square beads, in blue color paint. I think somehow I missed it, and after I placed everything, I didn't like the wood stain, so I painted white chalk paint on the other side of the wooden board. And I'm generously taking a few dots of hot glue to the back of this galvanized sunshine, and I'm attaching it in the center of this round, just like that. After it's done, I'm just taking this beautiful garland that we actually beaded garland that we created with the same colors that you see, like blue, red, and yellow from the sun, and I just attached to the top of the sign. And I also took some of this eucalyptus greenery, 2 pieces. Actually, I went with 4 pieces, and I took one of this blue color flower from another sign, since it's going with the theme. So I just went with all the colors, and I also took some of this red burlap roses. I took a little bit of hot glue and I just stuck the sunglasses to his face, just like that. I think I'm happy with the look right now. So this is how it looks after all done, and how cute this sun is. I'm just liking this cool sun with all the decorations. I enjoy adding the details off screen because that helps me, in de-stressing myself, and also, like it gives like a nice therapeutic effect. So yeah, this is another cute sunshine that I'm very much happy with, and I think this is my favorite today. So yeah, please let me know which one is your favorite. I would love to hear. Let's move on to DIY number 5, and this is one of this octagon sign and also one of this cute sticker that we're going to work together. I think somehow I lost the footage where I was drawing the border with black chalk paint, and I actually dry brushed with white chalk paint on top of it, and I just attached this beautiful sticker which says chase the sun. It's a tongue twister, say it 5 times quickly. So yeah, I just took some of this greenery and some yellow flowers and some white tiny flowers to decorate the top part of this cute sign. Isn't that a cute, simple, summer sign? I'm very much happy with it, and it didn't take much to do. I think it's a quick hack, I would say, maybe in between hack and a DIY. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts on this as well. Let's move on to DIY number 6, the last one, and this is definitely a hack, I would say. And this is one of the cute lantern which is also in the same yellow color family. So I wanted to add some decor to it, and this is a beautiful sticker which kind of looks like a sun to me. So I just attached that in the center and turned the light on. You can see it glowing. And I took some of these sunflower stickers and also some of this font stickers. I'm actually placing all around this lantern, and we're just basically decorating this with the stickers and a few of the bows. And this is one of the cute red mesh ribbon bow I created, and I just stuck it to the top of this lantern. I stuck some of the greenery and a white flower in the center to finish the look. Isn't this a cute addition to all the decor today? I think it is. So this is one of the cute lantern, and they are coming in different colors in Dollar Tree. I think I love the yellow color one, and I picked that. And yeah, this is one DIY that I love also with all this collection today. So please let me know your thoughts on this as well. If you'd like to connect with me on social media, these are some of the handles that you can use. So these are the final reveal of all the DIYs today, and I'm very much happy with all the DIYs today, and especially the sun in the center is my favorite today. I want to hear which one is your favorite, and you would like to give any suggestions. I'm all open for it. And I want to take a minute to thank all of you for taking some time from your busy schedule and to watch this video. And I'm very grateful, you guys. Thank you so much, and for the lovely comments as well, of course. And if you like any of these ideas and you'd like to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. And please don't forget to hit on the bell icon for me for getting any updates when I upload videos like this. So until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag in the right corner of the screen and I'm going to let you enjoy the final reveal. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today and I'll see you again.